Hello students, a warm welcome to everyone. Let's start with the new session of an AP. We will proceed with the next question of NCERT. The question is there in front of you. Okay, what we need to do, we need to find out the missing term, same as that of the previous question. The question is what? We have the first term as 5, then the second term is missing, which we have to find out. The third term is also missing, and last term is given as 9 whole 1 upon 2, which is in the form of a mixed fraction. First step is what? Just go through the last term, means what, the fourth term, which is in a mixed fraction. So just convert that particular mixed fraction into a improper fraction first. So what we will do, we will convert this into improper fraction and then we will proceed further. But the most important thing is what? The given sequence is in an AP. Already I told you that if the given sequence is in an AP, we can say that we have a common difference. This is clear. Okay. So what we will do, we will just write the given data and we will convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. And at last, suppose if we get the answer in a form of an improper fraction, we will convert that particular improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Okay, so let's start. What we have to do now, we will take the mixed fraction first. 9 whole 1 upon 2. Everyone knows this particular calculation to convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. But instead of solving it directly, I will solve that particular mixed fraction or the conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction, because many of the students, they are there having the problem. So I will solve it. So what is that? 9 into 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2. So what we get? 9 into 2, 18 plus 1 whole divided by 2. So 18 plus 1 is 19 upon 2. Okay, so this 19 upon 2 is considered to be the last term or the fourth term. So what we have the first term a1, which is nothing but equal to a, which is equal to 5. Okay, which is equal to 5. The a2 is unknown, which we have to find out. a3 is also unknown, as well as a4 we have converted the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. What is that? a4 is equal to 19 upon 2. So we need to find out the second term and we need to find out the third term. So what we will do, we will make the use of the general term. What is that? The general term is known as, or we know that the general term is given as an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into what? D. This is my equation for the general term. And the fourth term is known to you. How much it is? 19 upon 2. So when n is equal to 4, what we will get? a4 is equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d. Do we know the value of fourth term? Yes. How much it is? 19 upon 2. The first term is also known to you, is equal to 5 plus 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. So 3d. Okay. Now what I will do, I will just rearrange the terms and then I will solve it. Okay. What is that? 5 plus 3d is equal to how much? 19 upon 2. So what I will do now, I will just solve it. I will transpose the terms on the right hand side. So what we get? 3d is equal to what? 19 upon 2 minus 5. Okay. Now, if it is minus 5, nothing is there in the denominator. It means that it is having the value as 1. So what we will do, I will just mention it as 1. So just equalize the denominator now. Before proceeding further, you have to proceed with the LCM method. So the LCM is how much? 2. So what I will do, I will multiply 2 to the denominator as well as numerator. So what I get, 3d is equal to 19 minus 5 to the 10 whole divided by 2. So what I get, 3d is equal to 19 minus 10 is how much? We get 9 upon 2. Yes. Now this is 3d. 3d means what? 3 into d is equal to 9 upon 2. Now here multiplication is there. Now if 3 is said to be transposed to right hand side, it is said to be getting divided. So d is equal to 9 upon 2 into 3. So what is the answer? D is equal to 9 upon 6. Now can I reduce it to simplest form? Do we have any common factor? Yes. 3 2s are and 3 3s are. So what is the value of d? D is considered to be 3 upon 2. So we got the value of d as 3 upon 2. Okay, now what I will do, I need to find out the third term and the second term. So straightforward, when you substitute the value of n as 1, n as 2, n as 3, we know what are the equations. We know that, again I will rewrite it. We know a1 is equal to a. Okay, then when the value of n is considered to be 2 and when we substitute in the general term, what we get, a2 is equal to a plus d, we all know. Next, a3 is equal to a plus 2d, correct. a4 is what? A plus 3d. Okay, now what I need to do, which equation shall I use? Because I need to find out the second and the third term. What I will do, I will make the use of the third term equation. What is that? A3 is equal to a plus 2d. Do we know the value of a3? No, we have to find out. But do we have the value of a? How much it is? The first term is given to you 5. So I will mention a3 is equal to 5 plus, now 2 into, do we have the value of d? Yes, 3 upon 2. Substitute 3 upon 2. Now, can I cancel it? Yes, multiplication. So cancel it. So what we get? a3 is equal to 5 plus 3. So what we got? a3 is equal to 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. So did we got the third term? Yes, the value of the third term, a3, is 8. So I will consider this as my third term. Now find out the second term now. Do we have the equation for the second term? Yes, we have the equation for the calculation of the second term. What is that? a2 is equal to a plus d. Yes, now a2 is equal to, do we have the value of a? Yes, it is given, 5. The first term is 5 plus, how much is d? 3 upon 2. Now if I am having the value as 5, the 5 is nothing but it can be written as 5 upon 1. Now I can't add this. So to proceed with the addition of the two fractions, what I need to do, I need to equalize the denominator. So to make the denominator same, I will proceed with my LCM method. So how much is the LCM? LCM is 2. So a2 is equal to 5 into, I should multiply 2 to the numerator as well as denominator. 5 into 2 upon 1 into 2 plus 3 upon 2. So a2 is equal to 5 2s are 10. So 10 plus 3 whole divided by 2. Okay. Next, a2 is how much now? 10 plus 3, 13. 13 upon 2. So this is considered to be the calculation or the value of the second term. But in the question, the fourth term is given in the form of mixed fraction. So what you do, convert this particular improper fraction into the mixed fraction. So do you know how to convert it into the mixed fraction? Yes, I will show it. It is very, very easy, as well as many of the students are having a doubt, sir, how to proceed, because the 10th standard students can't solve or can't convert the improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So I will just show it to you. What we will do, we will divide it. 13 is said to be divided by 2. So 2 6 are 12. So what we get, denominator as 1. So if I need to convert this into the mixed fraction, what I am having here, I am having the quotient, then here I am having the remainder, and here I am having the divisor. So in this, the quotient is 6 whole, I can mention. Remainder is how much? 1, and the divisor is how much? 2. So what is the answer of A2 in the form of a mixed fraction? So I can write A2, which is considered as 6 whole 1 upon 2, as well as you can write this as A2 is equal to 13 upon 2. So anyhow you can write. So either in a mixed fraction or in an improper fraction. So hence at last we can conclude that if I am there with a sequence, I can write the final solution as the first term is 5. The second term, which is the missing term, is considered to be 6 whole 1 upon 2. Next, the third term is how much? We have A3 as 8. So ultimately the third term is 8. And the last term is given. Okay, so 9 whole 1 upon 2. So therefore I can say this is the solution of the given sequence. So if you need to cross check, you can cross check by finding the difference. So how to find out? As in the previous questions I have explained, we have to find out the difference means what? A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. Always it should give a common difference. So hence this is considered to be the solution of a given sequence. Okay, so it becomes very easy for you to calculate in this way. Okay, thank you students.